Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which is asking us if the domain of the function this is this. So, they are saying that this is your domain of the given function and you need to calculate this. Okay. So, how we will solve? So, first you have to find out the domain of this function. Then you have to find out the domain of this function. And then what you have to do? You have to take intersection. Then only you will get the domain of combined thing. Okay. So first we will decode sine. You know that the sine inverse function is defined if the argument is between less than equal to 1 and greater than equal to minus 1. So we got 5 minus x upon 3 plus 2x. So we have to solve this inequality. Now if you will read this now, you will feel that the given thing has to be greater than minus 1 and it is smaller than equal to 1. So you are using and. So you have to break down this inequality into two components, 5 minus x, 3 plus 2x, and this has to be greater than equal to minus 1 and 5 minus x on 3 plus 2x, this has to be smaller than equal to 1. Okay, now solve the inequality, take the intersection. First I will add 1 to the both side, so we will get 5 minus x plus 3 plus 2x upon 2x plus 3 greater than equal to 0. Now let's do the simplification. So x plus 8 upon 2x plus 3 greater than equal to 0. Now if you will observe, you got entities as minus 8 and minus 3 by 2 plus minus plus. So you know that we are interested in greater than 0 means positive rooms. So x belongs to minus infinity minus 8. Minus 8 is yes because it is on the numerator, so you can afford to have 0. Union minus 3 by 2 to infinity. No, no. You cannot afford to have 0 on the denominator. So this is the values of x which will satisfy first part. Now go with the second part. So we have to subtract 1 to both sides. So we got 5 minus x minus 3 minus 2x, and then we have 2x plus 3. We have subtracted. Okay, so less than 0. Now simplify things. So you got 2 minus 3x upon 2x plus 3. You know that the leading coefficient should be positive, but here it is negative. So what I will do, I will multiply by minus 1. You also know that if you will multiply by negative number, the sign of inequality will change. Okay, let's do the simplification. So it is 3x minus 2 upon 2x plus 3 greater than equal to 0. Now plot them on the number line. So first part is negative number 3 by minus 3 by 2. Second number is 2 by 3. It is positive number. So positive, negative, positive. We are interested in positive room. So x belongs to minus infinity to minus 3 by 2. And it is on the denominator. So you cannot afford to have this number. Union 2 by 3 to infinity. Okay. And 2 by 3 you can have. So this is the part of first part. Okay, now we will plot both of them on the same number line. So we got zeros as minus 8, then minus 3 by 2, then 2 by 3. Now first part, just focus over here. So it is behind minus 8. So yes, behind minus 8. and after minus 3 by 2. So open circle after. Okay, now behind minus 3 by 2, behind minus 3 by 2, after 2 by 3, and 2 by 3 is yes. So filled circle, yes. You have to take care of both. So here we got x belongs to room number 1, yes, because both person are present. So minus infinity minus 8, yes, no. Union room number 2, no. Room number 3, no. Room number 4, yes. 2 by 3 to infinity, and 2 by 3 is yes. So we got answer to first part. Okay, now we will simplify the second part. In second part you have log. You know that the argument of log should be positive, and it goes this way: 10 minus x. 10 minus x, this has to be positive, and also log of argument 10 minus x cannot be equal to 0. You cannot afford to have 0 on the denominator. So these two things you have to take care. So can I say that x should be smaller than 10? And here if you want 0, like, then the argument should be 1, है ना? So look at this. So can I write 10 minus x not equal to 1? So x cannot be equal to 9, correct? So from here we got things as minus infinity to 9 union 9 to 10. So this is your yellow part. Now what we have to do, we have to take intersection of both. Okay, so we will plot both of them on the same number line, and then we will go for the answer. So 8, 2 by 3, 9, 10. Let's plot. So we got minus 8, then yes, minus 8, 2 by 3 is a smaller number, 2 by 3, then we have 9, then we have 10. So first focus on the yellow part. So yellow part, 10 is open circle, 9 is open circle. So this is your yellow function. Then we have green thing behind minus 8. So it is behind minus 8 and after 2 by 3. After 2 by 3. So this many thing. Now you have to take care of both. So can I write required x belongs to minus infinity to minus 8? Yes, no. Union room number 2, no. Room number 3, yes. So it is 2 by 3 to 9, no, yes. Union 9 to 10. Next room, no. So this is the answer according to us. Now I will compare this answer with the question, and it goes minus infinity to alpha, beta to gamma, beta to gamma. Okay, so according to domain it was minus infinity to alpha, then beta to gamma, I think. Yes, beta is yes, gamma is no. So beta to gamma, and then minus delta, minus of delta. Now you can like compare, and you will find out that alpha is minus 8, then beta is 2 by 3, है ना? Gamma is 10, gamma is 10, and delta is the removed number is 9. So you have removed one entity, that is 9. So you got your everything, alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Now you guys can find out the value of this thing. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.